morning, kids! Welcome to my new YouTube channel, the Stella and Shine Kiddie channel. Hello kids, how are you today? Before we proceed to our lesson, let us sing first. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, I'm fine, thank you. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, I'm fine, thank you. Let's review first our previous lesson. There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. Those are A, E, I, O, U. The short vowel sounds are A, E, I, Okay, kids, as I have said before, always be ready. Always ready your pencil, paper, and eraser. Today I'm going to teach you how to write A. This is how we write A. This is the big letter A. Here is how we write the small letter A. Let us trace again A. From top, going down, from top, going down, and then the small letter A. What are the objects that begins with A? A, apple. A, axe. A, anchor. A, alligator. A, ant. A, apis. A, arrow. A, avocado. A, astronaut. A, ash. A for apple, A for axe, A for arrow, A alligator, A for atis, A for ant, A for anchor, A avocado, A. Today, kids, we are going to learn the short vowel E. The sound of short vowel E is E. Say it with me. E. What are the objects that begins with E? Egg. E. Eggplant. E. Empty. E. Elevator. E. Elf. E. Elbow. E. Elephant. E. Escalator. E. Hélice. Okay, kids, say it with me. E. Egg. E. Elf. E. eggplant. E, Elise. E, empty. E, elephant. E, escalator. E, elevator. E for egg, E for eggplant, E for empty, E elevator, E for elbow, E elephant, E escalator, Now, let's learn how to write E. Follow me. We're going to write a line. Then, at the bottom. Then, line in the middle. This is how we write big E. And the baby. Got it? That's all for today, kids. On my next video, we're going to learn the short vowel E. Apple, elephant, igloo, octopus, umbrella. Let us sing R-A-E-O-R. Bye, kids. Share it, the Stella and Shine Kiddie channel, to your friends para mas marami tayo, mas madaming matututo, at mas ma-excite si teacher. Bye! See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang gagawing video.